Hi everybody, this is Steve from OpenBOM. Welcome to the September 2019 preview of OpenBOM for Fusion release. This is really an exciting release coming up, and I'd like to give you a kind of a sneak peek behind the scenes of what we got coming. So let's get started. First on the list is the automatic updater. If there is a new release of OpenBOM for Fusion, you'll see a notice up here, and you'll be able to click that and install the latest version. That's an exciting addition. Number two is the template editor. We've added quite a bit of features around creating a template for OpenBOM for Fusion. So you can see we can specify templates for BOMs, catalogs, and drawings. Yes, I'm going to show you that in a moment. And you can use the template editor to set which properties you'd like to appear on those types. Okay. The third thing I'd like to show you by creating a catalog here from this differential is the much more compact, useful UI that is displayed on the screen after you create both a catalog and a BOM. So I've just quickly created a catalog for this differential. You see it has quite a bit of information in it now. We pick up all these properties from Fusion, as well as a property here, which I'm going to show you in just a moment, which is a link to this design in A360, and we'll take a kind of a deeper look at that in just a moment. So the new UI is very exciting, more compact, more information on the screen. That's probably the single greatest request we've had over the last month or so. The next feature I like, that is my personal favorite really, is the locate button. Locate brings you the ability to open any existing BOMs or catalogs that have been created. And here I've already created a multi-level BOM for this differential, so I'm going to go ahead and open that in my Fusion palette. I like to leave this on the screen when I'm working, and I can just quickly navigate between parts lists, multi-level BOMs, and catalogs just by simply clicking in the locate panel. So you can see we also have the option to go ahead and jump out to OpenBOM and open that in the full OpenBOM editor if needed to. But with this new Fusion UI, I rarely need to do that. So go ahead and give that a look. The next thing I'd like to take you to is something that is really exciting in this release, and it's the ability to put an OpenBOM bill of material on a Fusion drawing. I've got a Fusion drawing open here. You can see I've already set up my Fusion template. Let's go ahead and just take a look at that. Set up my drawing template to include these things. I don't want everything in my drawing, just these particular items. So I've gone, or properties. So I've gone and set up my template to include those. And I'm going to go ahead and click the button here and specify which. I'm going to put a parts list on my drawing. Specify that parts list. And OpenBOM is telling me where to pick that image up. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up that image that we just created. Right here, open it. I'm going to set the scale inside Fusion to something that looks appropriate. Drop that on the face of my drawing, and there you have it. There's a bill of material right on the face of the drawing. And finally, I would like to open the BOM for this diff. I'm going to use my locate button again, and let's open a multi-list bill of material. Now, if you're sharing this within OpenBOM, perhaps with a colleague who does not have Fusion 360, or maybe a supplier, we now include this link that will take you to the Fusion storage area for this particular design. So if you have a colleague that does not have Fusion and they're opening this link in OpenBOM, we're going to take them right to the Fusion storage area where they can open that model, view it. They can view the drawing as well. So all that's required is that they have a free account in the Fusion A360 storage, and they'll be able to use and consume those material that you create with OpenBOM, even if they don't have Fusion. So that's my top 6 things for this release. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. Look for this release in the next week or so on the Autodesk App Store. And of course, we'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks so much.